Welcome to our tutorial about using equations. In this tutorial, I'll use an equation to calculate the total mass of my bench vise. Let's begin by inserting an additional column into my bill of materials. We'll right-click, Insert, Insert Right. Actually, let me drag it over a little bit so you can see better. Okay, Insert, Column Right. Under Column Type, I'm going to select Equation. Here I'm going to multiply the column weight by the column quantity. Weight, asterisk, next quantity. OK. Now let's double-click on the header cell to edit it. I'm going to call it Total. Now I'll add a row underneath. And this cell is going to display the total mass of this column. Let's select the cell, click the Formula button. You might recognize that from Excel. From the Function drop-down menu, I'm going to select Sum. Now I select all the cells that I want to total. And click OK. And here's our total weight displayed right where we want it. This concludes our tutorial about using equations in the bill of materials.